Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert one video file format to another video file format using VLC Media Player. For example, I want to convert a file which is .ava file and I want to convert it to .mp4 file. I can convert it with VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player also supports many file formats in which you want to convert to. And by converting your file to the other format, sometimes you can see that your file size also reduces. Some file sizes, for example, MP4 uses very less space when you use it in your video. So let's see how we can convert the video in VLC Media Player. But if you don't have VLC Media Player, you can download it for free from its website. So if you don't have VLC Media Player, just go to your search and just search for VLC Media Player. And the first link here is www.videolan.org. And here is the link and you can download VLC Media Player for free. Now, on converting your video, so for example, I have this video. I will open my VLC Media Player. And I will go to media here. Go to media and go to this option called convert save. And in here, we can add a video which you want to convert to. So just make sure that it's file tab selected and just go to add and add your file which you want to convert to. So for example, I want to convert this file. Let's see which file format is this. In properties, it's a .mpg file, right? And it's located here and no other video is there. Okay? So this is a .mpg file. I will select it and I will open it. And then I want to choose the format I want to convert this .mpg file to. So just choose this button here and just click this small arrow here and just choose here convert. And this will lead you to this window. In here you need to choose the destination where you want to save your converted video. Just browse for the destination wherever you want to save your video. So for example, I want to save my video at the same position in this folder. So I will save it here. And then you need to give the name of the video. So for example, I will give the video name converted dot whatever format you want to convert it to. So for example, I want to convert my video to MP4. So I will write MP4. Okay. And I will say save. Okay. So this is the destination and this is the video name you are going to save. Okay. Now to choose which form you want to convert to, you can go to the settings here. This is a small button for setting. Just select the setting and there are different formats in which you can convert your video. So just go to encapsulation tab here and choose the preferred format you want to convert your video to. It has AVI or FLV, WAV, RAW, or many other formats. For now, I want to convert my video to MP4. So I will select this and I will save. I will click save and I will say start. And you can see the process has already started and it's complete because it's a small video. It's about 7-second videos that the process completed fairly fast. And you see here, my video is converted and it's present here. Okay, so once the process is complete, you can go to the destination wherever you have saved your video. This is my converted video. And I can open this video from here. Okay, so this video I have converted to this video. This is a MPG file and I have converted it to MP4 file. So in this way you can convert any video file format to other video file format using VLC Media Player, and it's free of cost. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.